Good morning, everybody. It's officially day 9 of the 30-day jump rope challenge. Right now we are uploading episode 8 and I'm about to start on some homework. Nothing too crazy. I'm off work today, so I'm just gonna do my jump ropes whenever I want and go for a run whenever I want. We're gonna see if we can get the egg flip. Oh, too easy. That was too easy. This is our brunch. It's 11:40. It is 2 eggs with roasted vegetables, potatoes, onions, carrots, and broccoli. This is about 500 calories. Let's see. I'll get the whole macros. I'll put the macros down below. If you're new to my channel, you may be like, you don't know why I'm doing this, and it might sound crazy to you. Hold on. It's my dog's loud ass toy. I just put on these pants from 2 years ago, and they fit again. That's why we doing this. All right, we're about to go do day 9, 1,000 jump ropes. Feeling good. I mean, it's 7:30 p.m. and I'll be honest, I drank today. Okay, I'm just gonna put it out there. I was drinking earlier. I only had 2 drinks. It's not like I got drunk, but it's Cincinnati Reds opening day. Like, of course. But anyways, that's besides the point. All I'm here to say is you can still get it done. And I'm still going to get it done. I'm going to hold myself to that same standard that I would want somebody else to hold it to. So, here goes nothing. I think we're going to do it like how we did it yesterday. The ladder one. It just makes it a lot easier. Honestly, let me get to 100, the top. So I'm gonna do, I did 10, I did 20, now I'm gonna do 30, then 40, then 50, then 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And I'll check back in after that because I do not want to waste up all my storage, and I'm really trying to get this done as quick as possible today. So I'll be right back. 550 down. We've got 450 left. I feel sick.
Pretty good at it. With jump roping it. See? It's exercising. Burn a lot of calories. Stop staring. Stop staring.
Alright, we've done all the way back to 60. Let's do it. I feel like I'm about to throw up. All right. 40. Okay. We've got 30, then 20, then 10, which means we have 60. So we can knock this all out right now. I think for the night, then we're done. Hi, baby. Hi.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you're okay. You're all good. We done.
Just a little cool down chat. I literally was drinking, and I was at Drake's before this, like an hour before this, and I was like, I've got goals. I can't just not work out today because I drank. Let me work that shit off. That's exactly what I did. And did I feel sick during it? Yes. But did I finish it? Yes. Also, this might be the end of this video. I'm not quite sure yet. But if it is, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, y'all. This is day 9 out of 30. We still have such a long way to go. And I want to share my progress and my results with y'all. So tune in. Subscribe. Peace.